This is Ian, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes, and I'm going to show you the quick way to translate an English document into Chinese. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it, follow me, let's get started. This is some marketing copy. I need to translate it into Chinese for one of my colleagues in the People's Republic of China. Go to Tools, select Translate Document, and then you'll be prompted to choose a language. Scroll down until you find Chinese Simplified and Chinese Traditional. So Chinese Traditional, that's used in the independent nation of Taiwan. Chinese Simplified is used in the People's Republic of China. That's mainland China. So I'm going to select Simplified Chinese and click Translate. And you can see that it is translated into Simplified Chinese. One warning, the Chinese, it will not be perfect. Maybe you might need a native speaker to review it for you if you're going to be using it for other purposes. But if you just want to give people an idea of what you're talking about, using the original English document and then quickly translating it into simplified Chinese, then Google Docs is probably one of the best ways you can do it. It's a lot cheaper than using a translator, and also it's a lot quicker than copy and pasting from some online website. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and also check out my book, Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes, available from in30minutes.com. Thank you so much for watching.